Hello and welcome everyone, this is your friend Himal. In this video I'm gonna show you how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox in Windows 11. At first, we need ISO file of Kali Linux for VirtualBox. Now, click on Download button. Choose Virtual Machines option. Select the architecture you want, and click on Download. Now, we need to download VirtualBox X file for Windows. Click on Download button to continue download. Now, we have to install VirtualBox in our Windows 11 machine. It may ask for update, so let it continue. Open Kali Linux VirtualBox file, and choose Import. You can customize these default settings later on. It may take a while to import Kali Linux into the machine. Now, click on Settings to customize it. Disable USB controller. It may hinder Kali Linux operation in machine. Now, choose System and allocate memory and CPU, according to your need and system capability. And leave other settings as it is. You can customize later on, as per requirement. Now, start the system. Choose View to display on full screen. Enter default username and passcode. Now, the Kali Linux is successfully loaded, and it is up and running. Let me check the internet connection first. It is working perfectly, so, hey guys, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, it means a lot to me. See you on next video.